I mean, I was fine to let this one die anyways. And now there's a flood. Flood, there's a flood.
I think Firestorm fell into his death.
No!
Yeah.
I swear, something's gonna grab my leg and I'm gonna be like, I accept my fate.
I wish I could push people. Because if I could push you off right now. It's so hard.
Alright, where to now? Huh! I almost missed. This is a job for a minimum wage.
This is what we do. For minimum wage.
Yeah.
Come on!
I didn't break my legs. I was so ready for something to just eat me. Did you break yours?
No, this.
Are you just ready for something to pop up?
Yep.
Hey, quick question. If we have enough, but it is the last day, do we get, like, a chance? Or is it just straight up over?
It's just straight up over.
So, it's over.
By the time
like,
we
right
land,
now.
there's no reason to try to have faith.
Why are we doing this, then?
Because we're miserable and dying.
What's happening? I just drop your things. Where you going?
You coming over here?
Where? You just dropped your shit
Come
and
out of
then...
the kitchen into the diner area, and then turn left.
Nah, I can't see you. Hey, key.
Yo! Hey.
Oh, you want to kill
No,
yourself?
okay. No. I'm saying let's cross. Oh, that's fucked up.
Is it also there?
Hold on.
What the fuck?
Can't squeeze my way through.
Hold
That's
on. There we go. You just jump on the side. Call it a vibe when we jump on the side. Should I flip this switch?
nah.
Alright.
No reason to.
Where'd you go?
I dropped down here on the bookshelf.
What? What? I'm on a bookshelf. Let's go. It's so dusty.
Alright, I'm going out.
What?
Yep. I'm gonna go some other door.
Oh.
That was our second door?
I don't know, but there's a key right
I
there.
don't think we.
Oh shit, slime. No, never mind. It's a couch. Where you at?
It's slime! Oh no, he picked out.
I'm sorry. She beat us.
Hey, little buddy, how's it going?
Ah! It's on me! What do I do? He's eating my face off. What do I do? What do I do?
Run!
Ow. What now?
Run!
It's still there.
Well, run!
I don't wanna. He looks kinda cute now.
Hey! Zeh! Zeh! Zeh!
What are you doing?
I don't know. If you run past him, we'll run outside. You can't follow us. Dude, bitch, no balls.
Ah, you're right. Ah, he's on top of me. Anyways, what now?
We're just gonna wait like 3 seconds.
Why? Why are we
There.
going back in?
Let's go through here.
Why? What's the point, man? Let's just drown
What's
ourselves.
the point? We die with content in some form.
Fuck, you're right. Where you at? There you are.
Yeah. What the fuck was that?
What?
Oh, never mind. That's alright.
Damn. Straight up closed them off.
That ones are up.
Oh god, no, he's coming for me! Oh god! Critical injury! Ah! Ah! My screen is crap!
Alright, where are we leaving?
I could die by just fucking hip hop hooping. Hey look, it's those flowers again.
Wow, wonder what could happen here.
Wonder how. Something else. You dick! Why? It's not even funny anymore. Jumping on the
As you
floor.
have not met
I'm gonna shove this screw so far up
performance has
his
been
ass.
deemed below standard. Welcome to our
I'm gonna shove
disciplinary
you off his
process.
ass. You are fired. You did not meet the profit quota before the deadline, so you a stupid boy.
I just saw that light in the abyss. I just saw you in the light of the abyss.
Yay. Anyways, I don't want to play this.
This is your very own autopilot ship, where you will